rung the bell right before it happened. I think he did it for punishment. I don't know which is worse. Spending the rest of my life trying to fix something that doesn't want to be fixed.
No, don't do that.
Or admitting that